Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can insert an audio file encoded as an MP3 or OGG file into your pages or posts to allow users to listen to the audio file. Audio should be encoded for HTML5 browser playback, which is associated with MP3 or OGG files. To insert an audio file into a page or post, first upload the audio file to the media library. Then open the page or post to edit it within either the Post Editor or Page Editor windows. Click to place your insertion point into the content of the page or post where you want the audio file to appear. Then click the Add Media button above the content shown in the Post Editor or Page Editor window to open the Insert Media window. You can then click the uploaded audio file within the Media Library tab to select it. The audio file information, if you already added it, should appear within the Attachment Details pane to the right. If you did not add that information to the file in the Media Library yet, you can add it now. Then use the Embed or Link drop-down to select how to display the audio file within the page or post. You can select Embed Media Player, which is the default setting, to embed the audio file in the page or post. You can also select Link to Media File or Link to Attachment Page to create a link to the audio file or its attachment page instead, if you prefer. To insert the audio file into your page or post, click the Insert into Post or Insert into Page button in the lower right corner of the Insert Media window. After you have inserted an audio file into a page or post, you can click it to select it within the page or post, and then click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil icon in the upper left corner of the audio file, to open the Audio Details window where you can set Advanced Audio Playback Settings. If you click the Audio Details link at the left side of the window, you will see the audio file details shown in the area to the right. At the top of the area is a preview of the audio file that you inserted. The file type of the audio file that you inserted, meaning MP3 or OGG, will be displayed immediately below the preview. Its media link will be displayed in the field below that. To add the alternate audio file source for maximum HTML5 playback compatibility, you can click either the MP3 or OGG button that appears below the Add Alternate Sources for Maximum HTML5 Playback label. The button shown will be the alternate audio file type depending on which audio file type you inserted. To associate an uploaded audio file for each type, click the File Type button to show the Add Audio Source window. If there is an existing copy of that type of audio file, it will be shown in the Media Library tab. If you have not uploaded it yet, you can click the Upload Files tab to upload the audio file. Select the audio file to use as the alternate source, and then click the Add Audio Source button in the lower right corner to return to the Audio Details window. You will then see the file type and its media link below the preview of the audio file. In the Preload section, you can select either the Auto, Metadata, or None buttons to choose what data to preload for the selected audio file. To autoplay the audio file, check the Autoplay checkbox. To loop the audio file to play again after it is finished playing, check the Loop checkbox. To update the audio file, you can click the Update button in the lower right corner of the Audio Details window to update the file with the current information and return to the post or page. When editing the audio file within the Audio Details window, you can click the Replace Audio link to the left of the window to replace the audio file that you are editing with another audio file. In the Replace Audio window, you can select the audio file to use as the replacement from the Media Library tab. If needed, you can upload a new replacement audio file on the Upload Files tab. You would then click the Replace button in the lower right corner to return to the Audio Details window. You will then need to set any audio file settings on the Audio Details tab for the selected audio file once again. After making whatever audio file changes you want to apply within the Audio Details window, you can click the Update button in the lower right corner of the window to update the audio file with the current information and return to the page or post. If you want to cancel your editing changes to the audio file when you are in the Audio Details window, you can click the Cancel Edit link in the upper left corner at any time when editing the audio file to cancel your editing changes and return to the audio file within the post or page. Be sure to click the Save Draft or Update buttons that appear within the page or post to save your audio editing changes within the page or post after you make them. To delete an audio file within a page or post, click it to select it, and then click the X button that appears in the upper left corner of the audio file to remove it from the page or post.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.